Let's move to our components folder. So here we have the tasks. We can add another folder. Let's call it filters. And inside, let's add a component. Let's call it categories. Filter. So without the dots. So let's remove the dots. And now we need the dots. JSX. Here what we need, so we have the categories filter, so we'll use the same thing like we have here. Let's move down like we have here. Let's cut this part and use it here. Okay, let's organize the code. So here we have categories. Here we have the filter by category. So now we need to call or to dispatch the action that we have here, this one. Okay. So let's first define the variables that we need. Let's organize the code that we have here. So what we need first, we need to fetch the categories like we have done here. So let's copy this part, which is the use categories, and paste it here, okay? And we need imports. And let's paste it also here. So what we need, so I think we need to go twice down to the custom use categories, okay? Now you have the categories. Next, what we need to define the dispatch, so we can dispatch our action. Dispatch, and we use the dispatch. Don't forget to import it here. And we need also to get the category ID, which is this one, okay? Because we need it. So let's define here and use the destructor to get category ID. Let's paste it here and use selector, and selector has states, and state has task. Okay, so we get it from the task, which is this one. Now we have the category ID, we have the categories, and we have the dispatch. So when we display the categories, so here we display the categories. So here, if we don't have any category selected, so we can, or if we have, not if we don't have, so if we have a category selected like we have seen here, we can go back to all, okay, when we click on this button. So we need to make it hidden if we don't have category ID, which is this one that we have here, and we need to dispatch the action which is set category ID, okay? And we give it null, which is this one that we have defined here, okay? We give it null. Okay, let's see what is next. Next, we display the categories, and same thing here, we filter, so we need but don't forget to do something. Don't forget to import the set category ID here. So let's use the same thing. So we dispatch and we give category dot ID, okay, which is this category that we have here. And here we display the category name, okay. Now what we need to do, we need to use this component. So let's move down. So here we can import and use it. So it's the category filter. So let's save. Don't forget to import it. Here is it. Let's check again. If we refresh, I think we have something wrong. Let's see. Category ID. Category ID is not defined. Let's move to our. So which line? So let's check the line number 30. So here, okay, let's go back. So here, category ID. Okay, we can use the category ID. Where is it? So not this one, but the one that we have, this one that we have here. So now it will work. Okay, let's refresh. Oh, it's already done. So as you can see, we have the categories. Let's refresh the page again. So now we have the categories. If we click on a category, as you can see, this category is selected. If we click here, it's the same thing. Let's check our Redux. As you can see, the category ID number 11. Let's change to this one and see what we have. We have one, and also we have all. If we click on all, as you can see, we don't have category, and here it's null. Okay, so now what we need to do, we need to make a change inside our task list. So instead of defining a variable here, which is the category ID, so now we need to get the category ID from state. So here we have category ID, as I said. So let's copy, paste, and we need to get it from the task. Now we have the category ID. So instead of using this category ID, so we need to watch and use the category ID from our state. And here we need to send the category ID instead. Okay, so save. Let's or it's already done. Let's refresh again and see. So I think something wrong. Let's check our console. Here we don't have anything. Our network, we have everything. Go back. So now we have the categories. Let's try to filter by this category. So as you can see, we have one. Okay, let's check by this one. We have no tasks. This one, same thing. This one, same thing. And this one, same thing. And this one, same thing. And this one, same thing. So I think we have two tasks or only one. So let's display all. So we have two tasks. Which category? Prof. Janie Jones. Where is Janie Jones? Here. This one. And Ludi Man. This one. Let's click on Ludi. So we have the task. Okay, so now we have optimized our categories. Next, what we need to move to this part, which is the order. So we'll do the same thing as we have done with the categories.